Literally just filmed this thing 6 months ago. Are you all ready to see Disney's most pointless modernization? Why? Just why? This was already an M2. There was no point to this. They even replaced the motor. What the hell was the point of this? Some higher up on Disney deserves the award for pointless money wasting on this thing. Like, this was already an M2 and it was only like 10 years old. There was no point to mod this thing. Are you coming up? Are you going up? There was legit no point to this mod. They even replaced the innovation button that General left out. Such a shame. Well, that's the most pointless mod of 2024.